Today I am going to show you a few things you can do with your baby at home that doesn't require much setup and is fairly inexpensive because you can use supplies that you already have at home. So the first thing is to take out some pots, dishes, utensils, and just show them how they can create sounds by hitting the objects.
In this video, Melina is 8 months old, and as with any activity that your baby is doing, you want to make sure that you are supervising them to make sure that they are safe.
Hey, nobody else around. See, love the way you compliment my style. Oh, you're made to be my only girl. 'Cause when you're with me, you're my whole world. Like when it's just me and you, vibe is crazy.
The next activity, which is her favorite, is water play. So I got 2 bowls from the kitchen and just put some water in there, and I grabbed some of her toys, some that float and some that sink, and I kind of just let her play in them a little bit. She liked to dump the water out, which I didn't really mind, but if you don't want them to get the area that they're sitting on wet, you can have them play outside, or you can have them play with water on a little tray, like a cookie pan tray, because there will be a little bit of water in there, so it won't be a headache to clean up. I will be using a more shallow tray next time. And another thing she really likes is to chew on her spoons and her forks, so I also threw that in there once I put more water into the bowls. I was a little surprised by her reaction with this activity because I thought she was going to really love it, but it wasn't really her favorite. So this is a sensory bag activity. I have 3 Ziploc bags, and I put beans, oatmeal, and rice into the bags. And the idea is for her to just play with them and kind of feel different textures. But she did not really care for this at all. And I tried this a few different occasions, and I didn't really get the reaction that I thought I would get. So I honestly had fun with it though, but this is an activity to try with your baby. Maybe they may like it, and I always see people recommending this activity for babies. I duct taped the bags to her high chair to make sure that it wouldn't come off, and just kind of let her play with it a little bit. You definitely need to make sure that you're watching them because you don't want them to start eating any of the raw food in there. Another favorite activity of Melina's are bubbles, and her dad is blowing bubbles with her. She recently got this walker that my brother bought for her, and it's been great. We've been taking her outside, and she loves to chase the bubbles while she's in her walker. And I know there's a lot of different opinions about if babies should have walkers. Well, at least I've heard different opinions, and in my opinion, I absolutely love her walker, and I'm glad that we got it. Thanks so much for watching our video, and let me know in the comment section if you will try any of the activities with your baby.